Welcome back, ultimate destination for all things digital marketing. And today we are embarking on a journey through the dynamic realm of digital marketing. However, here is the exciting twist: we are going to demystify this multifaceted world and equip you with the knowledge you need in just 10 minutes. That is right, by the end of this video, you will have a firm grasp of what digital marketing entails, from the fundamentals to the cutting-edge trends. So, if you are ready to unlock the secrets of digital marketing, hit that subscribe button. And let us dive in. Alright, folks, fasten your seatbelts because we are about to take a whirlwind tour through the digital marketing landscape. From websites and SEO to social media, content marketing, and beyond, we will cover it all. However, remember, this is just the beginning of your digital marketing journey. The digital marketing landscape. To understand digital marketing, you need to first grasp the vastness of its landscape. Picture it as a multifaceted ecosystem encompassing various channels, strategies, and tactics, all working together to achieve one common goal: connecting with your audience in the digital realm. From search engines to social media platforms, and everything in between, this vast landscape offers a plethora of opportunities for businesses to engage with their audience. Website and SEO. Now, let us talk about your digital marketing hub, your website. Think of it as your digital storefront. However, having a website alone is not enough. You want people to find it. That is where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes into play. SEO is like the roadmap that helps search engines, like Google, discover your website when people search for relevant topics. By optimizing your website's content and structure, you can improve its visibility and increase the chances of attracting organic traffic. Social media marketing. Next up, we have the social media juggernaut. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer unparalleled opportunities to connect with your audience on a personal level. Through engaging content and strategic advertising, you can create a loyal following and drive traffic to your website. Social media marketing is not just about posting cat videos or vacation photos. It is a powerful tool for building brand awareness, fostering customer relationships, and generating leads. Content marketing. Content is king in the digital marketing realm. Whether it's blog posts, videos, infographics, or podcasts, quality content is the cornerstone of a successful digital marketing strategy. It not only educates and entertains your audience but also establishes your authority and builds trust. Effective content marketing involves understanding your target audience's needs and preferences and creating valuable, shareable content that resonates with them. It is about storytelling and creating a connection that goes beyond sales pitches. Email marketing. Do not underestimate the power of email. Email marketing is a direct line to your audience's inbox. It is a fantastic tool for nurturing leads, promoting products or services, and building lasting relationships with your subscribers. Designing compelling email campaigns that deliver relevant content and offers can drive engagement and conversions. It is about personalized communication that keeps your audience informed and engaged with your brand. Video marketing. Now, let us dive into a captivating realm of digital marketing. Video marketing. In today's fast-paced online landscape, video content reigns supreme. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Stories have made video a vital tool for engaging audiences. Whether it is how-to tutorials, product demonstrations, or brand storytelling, video marketing provides a dynamic way to connect with your audience. We will explore the power of video in conveying messages, boosting engagement, and driving conversions. In addition, we will share tips on creating compelling video content that captivates your viewers and builds brand loyalty. Mobile marketing. In the era of smartphones, mobile marketing is non-negotiable. With mobile devices in the hands of billions, optimizing your digital marketing strategy for mobile is essential. Mobile marketing involves strategies like mobile-optimized websites, responsive design, and mobile apps. Additionally, location-based marketing and SMS campaigns are potent tools for reaching customers on the go. In this segment, we will delve into the nuances of mobile marketing, and sharing strategies to ensure your brand connects seamlessly with the mobile-savvy audience. Pay-per-click advertising. If you want to fast-track your digital marketing efforts, pay-per-click (PPC) advertising is your go-to. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to bid for ad placements and reach your target audience almost instantly. With PPC, you have control over your budget and can track the performance of your ads in real time. A results-driven approach can yield quick returns on investment, provided you have a well-structured and optimized campaign. Analytics and data. Now, here is the secret sauce of digital marketing data. You will be swimming in a sea of data, from website analytics to social media insights. However, fear not. This data is your compass, guiding you toward what works and what needs improvement. Analytics tools help you track website traffic, user behavior, conversion rates, and more. By interpreting this data, you can make informed decisions, refine your strategies, and maximize your digital marketing efforts. Data-driven marketing is all about continuous improvement and optimization. Influencer marketing. One trend that has been reshaping the digital marketing landscape is influencer marketing. Brands are increasingly collaborating with influencers, who have a substantial online following, to promote their products or services. This strategy leverages the trust and credibility influencers have built with their audiences. It is a more personal and authentic way to connect with potential customers, and it's gaining momentum as an effective digital marketing tactic. E-commerce and digital marketplaces. The rise of e-commerce and digital marketplaces has revolutionized the way businesses sell their products or services. With platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and eBay, companies can reach a global audience and streamline the buying process. Digital marketing plays a crucial role in driving traffic to these platforms, optimizing product listings, and creating compelling online shopping experiences. Personalization and customer experience. In the digital age, customers expect personalized experiences. Digital marketing is evolving to meet these expectations by using data-driven insights to tailor content, offers, and recommendations to individual users. Personalization enhances the customer experience, increases engagement, and drives conversions. It is not just about sending generic marketing messages, it is about creating meaningful connections with your audience. Ethical and responsible marketing. As digital marketing continues to grow, so does the importance of ethical and responsible practices. Consumers are increasingly conscious of how their data is used, and they expect transparency and respect for their privacy. Digital marketers must navigate the ethical considerations of data collection and usage, ensuring that they comply with regulations and prioritize user consent and security. Ethical marketing builds trust and credibility, which are essential for long-term success in the digital landscape. The future of digital marketing. As we wrap up our whirlwind tour of digital marketing, it is essential to recognize that this field is in a constant state of evolution. New technologies, platforms, and strategies are emerging all the time. The future of digital marketing is bright, and those who stay adaptable and informed will continue to thrive. The digital landscape is evolving with advancements like AI-powered shabots, voice search optimization, and immersive technologies like virtual and augmented reality. Staying ahead of the curve and embracing these innovations will be key to staying competitive in the digital marketing arena. Conclusion. In addition, there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of the digital marketing universe in more than just 10 minutes. We have delved into the essential pillars of digital marketing, from optimizing websites to harnessing the power of social media, content, and data. However, this is just the tip of the iceberg. As you venture further into the world of digital marketing, remember that it is an ever-evolving field. New technologies, strategies, and opportunities emerge constantly. To succeed, stay curious, adapt, and continue learning. Keep experimenting, analyzing data, and refining your approach. If this video has ignited your passion for digital marketing, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow digital enthusiasts, and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of the digital landscape. We are here to be your trusted guide on your digital marketing journey. So, until next time, keep innovating, keep connecting, and keep thriving in the exciting world of digital marketing. Thanks for joining us, and happy marketing!